Why does the Istitle string method return false if the string is clearly in title case? Of the Istitle string method, the Python 2.6.5 manual reads: return true if the string is a title case string and there is at least one character. For example, uppercase characters may only follow uncased characters and lowercase characters only cased ones. Return false otherwise. But in this case it returns false. What am I missing?
Probably because you are still calling Istitle on the original book. Try book.title.istitle instead.
Book.title does not change the variable book. It just returns the string in title case.
Do the following. After you do book.title, you will see that book hasn't changed. The reason is that book.title creates a new string. The name book still refers to the original string.
The method title doesn't mutate the string. Strings are immutable in Python. It creates a new string which you must assign to your variable.
Into the chat to see what can play.